So hey, this is what I'm making today for dinner. I'm making baked chicken, macaroni and cheese, broccoli, and some big old fat potatoes. That's what I'm about to do. So we got everything we need. This, boom. I'm gonna do a large one, boom. Anita gonna help me out, so I think that's right. All right. We already unthaw the chicken, so let's start on the chicken because that's the big thing. Want to get the chicken out the way. After you do the chicken, you can have the chicken on. Do that, then do the macaroni and cheese. After you do that, then do the potatoes. After the potatoes, then the vegetables. And that's how you get it done. I'm gonna show y'all after I finish cooking. So holla at me later. Hey. All right, Anita gonna help me cook this meal. So she gonna do the macaroni and cheese, and I'm gonna do the chicken. All right now. First thing to do is wash your hands. You know, say we make no chicken. Don't filthy hands. All right now. So get your chicken. Yeah. So watch what I show y'all. This is my first meal that I'm about to do. Got the chicken leg, chicken breast. Rinse it off real good. Make sure you clean the whole chicken. Get that chicken real good. Clean it real good. There you go. Bam. Clean next one. I got a meal coming for y'all too when y'all come back. I'll figure out how I'm gonna do something for y'all. But that's tonight. I'm doing macaroni and cheese, baked chicken, broccoli, and potatoes. You know, I want some potatoes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Some potatoes. So the way I'm gonna season this chicken, I'm gonna hook this chicken up. I got some new season I'm gonna do on this chicken that I got from shop. Chicken breast. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, gee. Woo! I'm about to eat good today. All right. So, the seasons I'm about to use in the chicken, I'm about to use chicken season. I'm gonna teach y'all a little secret. A lot of people don't know. But to make your chicken taste delicious, let me show y'all something. Put a little pinch of lemon in it and a little bit of garlic. That's how you look at that. Get yourself some of this. You know what I'm saying? Put a little garlic in there, just a little bit. Yeah. You can put all seasoning in there. You can look. You can do your chicken how you want to do it. You know, you can use this too. I always use this on my chicken. This is pretty good. It's the same thing as this one. But you use all-purpose season in this season on. It really don't matter. Hold on, Marvin. You can do it how you want to do it. You know? Do it how you do it. But that's what I'm doing for dinner today. I'm doing macaroni, cheese, broccoli, and potatoes, and hold on, macaroni, cheese, broccoli, and baked chicken, and potatoes. So you get yourself a little cup. Put that in there like that. Sit this in the stove for about an hour and a half, and your chicken should be crispy. That's what I tell you. I'll make this chicken look like it's Popeye's chicken, but it's gonna be baked chicken today. It's gonna be baked chicken, okay? How the chicken taste?
Good.
Okay. How the chicken taste?